Feeling overwhelmed trying to keep tabs on where your work hours are actually going? Let's ditch the guesswork and get you started with the basics of time tracking using Clockify. First, you'll land on the timer page. This is where the magic happens. See that big, friendly start timer button. Before you hit it, take a moment to describe what you're about to work on in the description field. This is crucial for knowing what your time was spent on later. For example, I'm going to writing YouTube script now. Let's assign this time to a specific project. Click on the project dropdown. If you already have projects set up, select the relevant one. If not, no worries. Click Create New Project to quickly add one. I'll name mine YouTube Content. Now you can optionally add a task to your time entry. If you're not using task feature, you can skip that step. Select a task to break your projects down even further. Once you've filled in those details, hit that start timer button. You'll see the timer begin counting up. When you're done working on that task, simply click Stop Timer. Clockify automatically saves your time entry. To review your recorded time, navigate to the Timesheet section here. You'll see all your time entries, neatly organized by date and project. You can edit them if needed by clicking on a specific time entry. Clockify offers a ton of other features, but mastering these basics will give you a solid foundation for accurately tracking your time and understanding your work habits. Happy tracking!